Picture this. You're driving through the beautiful Italian countryside. Mountains on one side, ocean views on the other, and the warm evening sunlight glowing through the windshield. The road ahead feels endless, peaceful, and exciting at the same time. But the best part is not outside the vehicle. It's what's behind you. Your entire luxury apartment is traveling with you everywhere you go. A comfortable bedroom, a stylish lounge, a modern kitchen, and all the freedom to stop wherever you want. Now here's the surprising part. From the outside, the 2026 LAIKA KOSMO L105 looks compact and simple. At first glance, you might think it's just another small camper. But the moment you step inside, everything changes. Suddenly, you're looking at a motorhome that feels far bigger, far more luxurious, and far smarter than anyone expects. Today, we're taking a full tour of the brand new 2026 LAIKA KOSMO L105 to see why so many RV lovers are calling this one of the most impressive compact luxury motorhomes of the year. And honestly, after seeing what's inside, you might understand why. Starting from the exterior, the first thing you notice is how clean and modern the design looks. LAIKA didn't try to make this motorhome overly aggressive or futuristic. Instead, they focus on elegance and timeless styling. The silver body graphics mixed with dark accents give it a premium European appearance that immediately stands out on the road. It feels classy without trying too hard, and that's something many luxury RV buyers really appreciate. Even though the Cosmo L105 is compact compared to larger Class A motorhomes, the proportions are incredibly well balanced. It's large enough to feel comfortable inside, but still manageable enough for everyday driving and long road trips. That means you can confidently drive through narrow roads, small villages, campsites, and crowded city areas without constantly feeling stressed behind the wheel. And honestly, for many travelers, that alone becomes a huge advantage. Not everyone wants to drive a giant bus-sized RV. Some people want freedom without sacrificing comfort, and that's exactly where this motorhome shines. Moving toward the front cabin, the driving experience already feels more premium than many people expect. The windshield is large and wide, giving you excellent visibility of the road ahead, while the elevated driving position creates that confident touring feel RV owners love so much. The headlights look sharp and modern, and the front design almost feels closer to a luxury van than a traditional camper. On the side, you'll also notice large exterior storage compartments, which are extremely practical for travel gear, outdoor equipment, folding chairs, tools, or camping supplies. And of course, the side awning adds another layer of lifestyle comfort. Imagine parking near a lake during sunset, opening the awning, setting up your chairs outside, and simply relaxing with coffee while enjoying nature around you. That's the kind of emotional lifestyle this motorhome is designed to deliver. Now let's step inside because this is where things become really impressive. The moment the door opens, the first thing you notice is how bright and spacious everything feels. Large windows allow natural light to enter from almost every direction, making the interior feel far bigger than the actual size of the vehicle. And honestly, this is a true magic of the LAIKA KOSMO L105. It uses space incredibly well. Every inch feels intelligently designed. Nothing feels cramped or wasted. The driver and passenger seat swivel around to become part of the living area, instantly transforming the front cabin into a comfortable social lounge. European motorhomes are famous for this type of smart design, and LAIKA executes it beautifully here. The dashboard itself feels modern and easy to use. You get a touchscreen infotainment system, smart controls, multiple charging ports, useful storage spaces, and comfortable seating designed for long-distance travel. And that matters more than many people realize, because when you buy a motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a traveling lifestyle. Comfort while driving becomes incredibly important. Long road trips should feel relaxing, not exhausting, and the Cosmo L105 clearly focuses heavily on that experience. Now moving into the main living area, this is a moment where most people become genuinely surprised. For a motorhome that looks this compact from the outside, the interior space feels shockingly open. Seriously, it almost makes you wonder how they manage to fit everything inside so intelligently. The seating area looks modern, stylish, and inviting, with soft upholstery, premium textures, and warm ambient lighting creating a cozy atmosphere throughout the cabin. Instead of feeling like a tiny camper, the space feels more like a boutique hotel lounge on wheels. And honestly, LAIKA clearly understand how important atmosphere is for modern RV buyers. People today don't just want functionality anymore. They want comfort. They want emotional relaxation. They want a space that feels good to live in, even during long trips. The indirect LED lighting completely changes the mood during nighttime. Combined with a panoramic roof window above, the entire cabin feels airy during the day and incredibly relaxing at night. You can easily imagine spending hours here after a long drive, watching movies, reading a book, eating dinner with family, or simply listening to rain outside while staying warm and comfortable inside. That emotional comfort is something many cheaper motorhomes fail to deliver, but the Cosmo L105 handles it beautifully. Even the dining table placement feels smart because it provides enough room for meals without blocking movement around the cabin. Everything feels balanced and practical. The soft color scheme also deserves credit because LAIKA avoids overly flashy designs. Instead, they use calm modern tones that make the interior feel elegant and peaceful. Now let's talk about the kitchen area because this is another part where the Cosmo L105 performs surprisingly well. For a compact motorhome, the kitchen feels extremely usable. And honestly, if you've ever traveled in smaller campers before, you already know how important that is. Tiny kitchens can become frustrating very quickly if they lack workspace or proper storage. But hey, LAIKA has managed to create a setup that feels genuinely practical for real travel life. You get a modern cooking setup, a deep sink, multiple storage drawers, overhead cabinets, and enough countertop space to comfortably prepare meals during long trips. The refrigerator is seamlessly integrated into the design, while the cabinet finishes continue the premium style throughout the entire motorhome. Everything feels intentional. Nothing looks random or cheap. Even small details like the placement of lighting and the accessibility of storage compartments show that this motorhome was designed by people who truly understand the needs of travelers. And honestly, for couples especially, this setup feels nearly perfect. You can comfortably prepare breakfast in the morning, cook simple dinners during camping trips, or spend longer periods traveling without constantly needing restaurants or hotels. That independence is one of the biggest reasons people fall in love with motorhome life. Freedom becomes addictive. Now moving into the bathroom area, this is where many compact RVs usually disappoint. Small bathrooms often feel cramped, awkward, and uncomfortable. But surprisingly, the LAIKA Cosmo L105 handles this space much better than expected. The bathroom design feels modern, clean, and premium. You get smart separation between the shower and toilet area, quality materials throughout, excellent lighting, mirrors, and useful storage spaces for daily essentials. And again, perhaps the most important thing is that nothing feels cheap. Bathrooms are usually the first area where manufacturers start cutting costs, but LAIKA clearly wanted to maintain a premium feeling throughout the entire motorhome. Even the shower space feels usable for real adults, which honestly cannot be said for every compact camper on the market today. And during long adventures or off-grid trips, having a comfortable bathroom setup makes a massive difference in daily life. Now let's move toward the bedroom because this is probably one of the strongest highlights of the entire motorhome. The rear sleeping area feels warm, modern, and surprisingly spacious considering the overall size of the vehicle. The bed layout maximizes comfort while still leaving enough room to move around naturally. You also get overhead cabinets, reading lights, charging ports, and intelligent storage areas integrated throughout the bedroom. Once again, the lighting completely transforms the atmosphere at night. Warm ambient lights combined with the soft textures create a space that genuinely feels relaxing after a long day of travel. And honestly, this is where the Cosmo L105 starts feeling much more expensive than many people expect. Because modern motorhome buyers are no longer looking for simple transportation. They want emotional comfort. They want adventure without giving up luxury. They want freedom without sacrificing convenience. And this motorhome clearly understands that lifestyle perfectly. Now, the big question is, what actually makes the 2026 LAIKA Cosmo L105 stand out in such a competitive market? Because let's be honest, there are many compact luxury motorhomes available today. But what makes this one special is the balance it achieved between luxury, practicality, and drivability. Some motorhomes focus heavily on luxury but become too large and difficult to drive comfortably. Others focus only on practicality but end up feeling boring or cheap inside. And then there are compact campers that save space but sacrifice comfort completely. The Cosmo L105 finds a very smart middle ground between all three. It feels premium without becoming oversized. It feels compact without feeling cramped. And that balance is exactly why many travelers may actually prefer this over much larger Class A motorhomes or bulky RVs, especially younger travelers and modern couples. People today want flexibility. They want spontaneous adventures. They want the ability to travel freely while still enjoying comfort and style. And honestly, this motorhome delivers that lifestyle beautifully. So now comes a final question. Is a 2026 LAIKA KOSMO L105 actually worth it? And honestly, if you're searching for a compact luxury motorhome that feels far larger inside than it looks outside, this is easily one of the strongest options in its category right now. It combines smart European engineering, premium interior comfort, modern technology, practical storage solutions, and a relaxing travel atmosphere into one beautifully designed package. Of course, it won't be the cheapest motorhome on the market, but once you experience the intelligent layout, the cozy living area, the comfortable bedroom, and the overall premium atmosphere, you begin to understand exactly where the value comes from. Because at the end of the day, this motorhome is not just about transportation. It's about lifestyle freedom. It's about waking up beside lakes, mountains, forests, and beaches while still feeling comfortable and relaxed. It's about escaping routine without giving up the feeling of home. And honestly, that emotional experience is something many people dream about for years. But now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a 2026 LAIKA KOSMO L105 for full-time travel and road trips? Or would you still prefer a much larger luxury motorhome instead? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible motorhomes, luxury RVs, campervans, and future travel vehicles, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.